Hi Superstar Scientists! Today I'm going to be walking you through how to set up your walking rainbow. First, you're going to need a pitcher of water, 6 cups from your bag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you place them in a circle. And then you're going to need your strip of paper towel. And then you're going to need red, yellow, and blue food coloring. So you might have to raid your baking cupboard to find those. What you're going to do first is you're going to pour in water into each one of them, about halfway. Your mom and dad or grandma, grandpa, whoever's helping you today, they can help you pour it in. You might want to try it yourself, but they'll be there to help you with any spills. You just pour water in every single cup, about halfway up. Okay. Now, I'm going to take the red food coloring, and I'm just going to put a few drops in 1 cup. So, help me count. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to take the yellow food coloring, and I'm going to skip. I'm not going to put it in the next one. I'm going to put it in the one after that. And you will find out why. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to take the blue food coloring. We're going to skip the next cup, and then we're going to put it in the next one. Notice that I have 1 cup of water in between each one of my colored cups of water. Okay, let's count the blue. 1, 2, 3. It's really important that you skip these cups in between the colored cups, because that is what's going to help your rainbow walk. And it's going to change colors. You have been learning about colors for the past couple of weeks. And now's your chance to make your own rainbow. So now you're just taking your paper towel and you're dipping it in and out of each cup, even the ones that don't have any food coloring in it. It's just going to look like that. Now this is going to take a while, and I know it's really hard to wait, but we got to wait because it's going to take time for our rainbow to walk into each one of these cups. In the next few days, you're going to be filling out your Superstar Scientist lab report, and you will be finding out what colors you're going to be making. Have fun this week, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.